या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता. In all the beings, you are present as intellect, as beauty, as brilliance, as peace.
हे मां जय गौरी शंकरी मां. हे मां जय गौरी शंकरी मां.